welcome to Lily Rose Kindergarten Cook. Today we're gonna make muffins.
That's right, we're going to make some apple butter muffins today. So the first thing that we're going to need is we will need half a cup butter.
Butter.
Go ahead and put it in the bowl.
The bowl. Which one? This one?
In that big bowl. That's half a cup.
I need something.
Oh, there it goes. All right, so now that we've got the butter in the bowl, we're going to need half a cup of brown sugar.
Brown sugar. Brown sugar is this. See? Yep. How much do we need?
We need to fill that right up. That is half a cup.
Now what do we do?
You're going to put it in the bowl.
This one?
That's the one. Now we're going to need half a cup of sugar.
Sugar. How do you get it out?
You just pour it in the measuring cup though. Just like you're going to fill that right up.
What's going on here?
It takes a little while, doesn't it? Go ahead and put that sugar in the bowl. All right, now we're going to take this spoon and we're going to start to mix everything together. Okay, now you're going to need to crack these eggs.
That's my dad. These eggs.
Yes.
That's okay.
That's okay. Into the bowl. Into this bowl. Good job. Put that right in there. Go ahead and crack the next one. Good job. Put the eggs into the bowl. And we're going to mix them around. Okay, now what we need is half a cup of milk.
Milk.
How do you know that's half a cup? Because it fills the cup up halfway.
Now what do you do?
Now you're going to stir again. The never-ending stir. Next we need 1 3/4 teaspoons of baking powder.
Can I do it?
Sure you can do it. First we'll take, this is 1 teaspoon. Remember how you do it? And you scrape it. Remember, you do like that. Remember?
Scrape, scrape.
Yep, scrape, scrape. That's 1. Now we're going to need 3/4. So we need, how many of these? This is a quarter.
Quarter.
And we need 3.
3.
Okay, so we can get 3/4. How many is that? How many was that? 1?
1. 2. I bumped it.
Mix it right in.
This looks like that.
It does, but it's a very different thing. It looks like flour, but it's definitely not. Okay, now we're going to need 1.
My arm's tired, so that's a good thing that I have an extra one.
It is a good thing you have an extra one. We would hate for your arm to be tired. All right, we need 1.5 cups. Whoops, let's get a bigger spoon. There we go. We're going to fill this up. Here, let's do it this way.
Yeah, I was doing this way. Scoop. Boop. Scoop. Scoop. Boop.
Okay, let's put it in here. After you make it perfect, of course. Now we need a half a cup.
I'm like a sloth.
You're a sloth? I think you're a little speedier than a sloth.
This arm's getting tired now.
My goodness. Let's switch it over to the fresh arm.
This one's good. This one's still tired. But this one's not.
Good. Why don't you smooth that out a little bit? Let's see if it looks like half a cup. Does that look like it's about halfway full? Does it look halfway? I think it looks halfway enough. Why don't we go ahead and put that in? Very good. Why don't you go ahead and stir that?
No, it only tastes like strawberry.
Oh, I see.
We're gonna be done in 30 minutes.
Do you want to come and finish up? Or we'll never be done.
Okay. Let's see.
We'll have it be nice and spicy. Now whoops, what we're gonna do is we don't want to overdo it. So how, is that 4?
Yeah.
I think it is. A teaspoon of cloves.
What is that again?
All right, stir that in. Whoop, nope, just needed 1.
Oh, first I need to taste it.
Oh no, that'll be yucky, don't, okay. Now we're gonna put in 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Here, you hold this part, and I'll pour. It seems to me we had a disaster last time you poured. That's 1.
Why?
2. Go ahead and stir it up. Smell that. Smells pretty good, huh? It smells like it's
better. Butter.
Now we're going to put in some apple butter. We have 1 cup of apple butter. So we're going to go ahead and pour that in.
How much do we need?
The whole thing. We need 1 cup, so we're going to use the whole. We'll do it together. Wow.
Oh, there we go.
There we go.
What?
How's it taste?
It tastes like my juice.
It tastes like apple juice. Well, that's a step in the right direction. Now we're going to put in some 3/4 of a cup of raisins and dates, and we have soaked these. We've soaked these for a few minutes in cold water because otherwise the dried fruit tends to seep moisture out of your muffins and they get stale much more quickly. So we've soaked them for probably about an hour. Stir that up. All right, we've sprayed the muffin tins, and now we need to fill them up halfway. Yeah, and then you just kind of level it off. And now you're going to use that to put it in the pan. All right, we are going to finish this up. We will be back with you in a second. Okay, now we're going to make some strudel to go on the top of that. We're going to put go ahead and put the butter in the bowl. All right. Now we're going to need 1½ cups of brown sugar.
Brown sugar.
All right.
Brown sugar.
Remember, we're going to smush it right in there. Put the brown sugar in. So 1.5 cups of brown sugar. Now we'll do half. Right. And now we'll do half a cup. You get how that's funny because that's exactly what we're going to do in just a minute. You stick our hands right in there. You got it.
This time it's not going to give me a fight.
Well, I should hope not. Put it right in there. Pack it right in there. There. See, it didn't dare give you a fight this time, did it?
Nope.
So we're going to get that 1 cup measuring cup over there. We're going to fill it up with sugar.
Sugar. How much?
Fill it right up.
There's still more. We can buy some more. I know that.
Oh, well, I suppose we could. That is a good answer. Now we need half a cup of oatmeal.
Oatmeal. Can you please open this?
Yes.
Oh. This is not going to give me a little fight. I got it.
Looks good to me. Why don't you add just add half, fill that up again halfway. We'll switch this up to 3/4 of a cup of oatmeal. There you go. Throw it in there. Now, grab the flour, because we need half a cup of flour. All right, does that look about halfway?
Halfway, yep.
Okay, go ahead and put it in the bowl.
Last time we leave this spoon there, it was kind of funny.
Oh, yeah. We won't leave the spoon. We'll take it out and wash it instead. Now we're going to take the fork and we're going to smush it all together like this. Smush it, smush it.
Smush, 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 smush. We're just making stuff for that. Smush. I'm going to show you this.
Uh-oh, you know what we forgot? We forgot some cinnamon. Oh, we got to put a little bit of cinnamon in there. Okay, now that we have this strudel made, we're going to go ahead and put some strudel on each one of these muffins. We're going to do it like this. Okay, so we'll sprinkle some on. Sprinkle, sprinkle, just like that. You can do those, and I'll do these.
All done.
No, we're not all done. We've got to use it all up. So go ahead and keep sprinkling until they're done, until it's all gone. All right, now that we're done with this, we are going to put them in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes at a 350 oven, and we will get back to you as soon as they're done. All right, see you in a minute.
See you in a minute. Bye. We're back. We're ready to try one of the muffins.
All right, want to take one out? Now I let these bake about 25 minutes. And usually with muffins, you stick something in there, a toothpick, to see if it comes out clean. But since this had this strudel on top, and I thought that would stick to the toothpick and make it hard to tell, I tested the internal temp. It made sure that it was 209 degrees. And then I let them sit for about half an hour so that the strudel could set up. Can we do this? Look, we'll just do this. We'll just lift it out. Go ahead, take it out. Grab it with your fingers. There we go. Put it on the plate. Whoops. You're going to give it a try?
Give it a
Taste it and see what you think. Did we do a good job? Well, thank you for joining us today at Lily Rose Kindergarten Cook, and we will see you on another day. Bye.